What disease should you think of in a patient that comes in complaining of a fever, a sore throat? On physical exam, they have drool coming out of their mouth, and when you auscultate their lungs, you hear stridor on inspiration. The answer is acute epiglottitis. What are the two bugs that cause epiglottitis? Haemophilus influenza and Streptococcus pneumoniae. The way to diagnose these is with a lateral neck x-ray. You need to treat this immediately because it can be an emergent condition that can close off the patient's airway.